Accelerate your career with new age marketing skills in the digital world. Start a career with digital marketing. Learn the basics. Start by learning the fundamentals of digital marketing, including SEO, PPC, email marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing. There are many online courses and resources available that can help you get started. Build your skills. Once you have a basic understanding of digital marketing, start building your skills. Consider taking specialized courses or certifications in areas such as Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, or SEO. Get hands-on experience. Look for opportunities to gain hands-on experience in digital marketing. You could start by creating a personal blog or website, helping a non-profit organization with their digital marketing efforts, or offering to help a friend or family member with their business's digital marketing. Build your portfolio. As you gain experience, start building a portfolio of your work. This could include examples of your blog posts, social media campaigns, or websites that you have created. Apply for jobs. Once you have developed your skills and built a portfolio, start applying for entry-level digital marketing jobs. Consider internships, freelance work, or entry-level positions to gain more experience. Stay up to date. Digital marketing is a constantly evolving field, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. India's top-rated institute of digital marketing training. Our approach is rooted in digital marketing, and we use our expertise to create